Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, guys. Good evening. Oh, okay. Welcome back to Brainy Bites tutorial. If this is your first time of coming across to this our YouTube channel, you are welcome. What we do in this our YouTube channel is that we talk about things that concerns JAMB, admission, post UTME, WAEC, and NECO. Alright. So if you're any of these students, please, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on all bell notifications so that whenever I drop any amazing content, just like the one you're watching right now, it will notify you and you'll be the first to check out the update. Alright, so today we're going to talk about FUNAI 2024 Predegree form. Alright, so that's basically what we're going to talk about today. So we're going to talk about things because I promise all my subscribers that any question I receive from my candidate, that I'm going to come here to answer all of the questions so that everybody out there will equally learn from there, because I believe that some persons out there do not have somebody to ask this kind of question. So when you come across a video like this, you definitely want to gain something from there. All right, so before I continue, we have a WhatsApp platform or a WhatsApp community that is basically for our 2024 registered UTME candidates. Alright, of course, you yourself, you can become one of our members. The only way you can become one of our members is to let me know in the comment section that you want to join us. I will write out to give you my number. After getting to know you on WhatsApp, then I will have to add you to our WhatsApp group. Alright, so that is basically how it is. Okay, so let's get right to the video. So, topic of today, FUNAI 2024 Predegree form. Yeah, so for those of us that didn't know FUNAI is short from Alex Ekweme Federal University, Ebonyi State. So that's where the university is situated at Ebonyi State. Okay, so it's FUNAI. Alright, so some persons know, some persons do not know. So their pre-degree form for 2024-2025 session is not yet out. Alright, so however, it's coming out soon. So once it's out, some will be asking how are we going to know that the form is out, and when are we going to get, how are we also going to get the form. Alright, so once, it is important for you to subscribe and turn on all the notifications so that once the form is out, alright, I will notify you guys that the form is out. You'll be the first to check out, you'll be the first to get the form. Alright, and also we have made things technology has made things so easy for us. Alright, so you can get your form without going to the school. Alright, so I'll be the one to get your form for you here so that you don't go out there and meet somebody that didn't know how to do it and make a whole lot of mistakes. So it is important for you to stick with us so I can get the form for you and forward all of your documents across to you. Alright, so that's basically how you can get the form. Alright, and if you get the form for you, any other thing, any other question you likely you will have a WhatsApp, you'll be added directly to our WhatsApp community so that where you can interact with your fellow aspirants there also. Okay, so that's how it is. So some will be asking, does pre-degree form guarantees admission 100%? Please, pre-degree form does not guarantee 100% admission. Alright, so pre-degree form is just like, it just is basically a program. Alright, so that's organized by FUNAI. Alright, so to prepare their students for admission. Alright, so it doesn't guarantee 100% admission. Alright, so now let me break down a bit so that you will also understand. So if you buy pre-degree form for 2024-2025 admission, you will start the program this year. The program lasts for 1 year. Of course, you pay school fees, so it lasts for 1 year, and you will start the program this year. Then next year, you are still going to write another jump. Yes, you heard me. You're still going to write another jump. So you write another jump, and you also need to meet the jump national cutoff mark. Alright, the jam national cutoff mark, you also need to meet the jam national cutoff mark. So if whereby you don't meet the jam national cutoff mark, there is also no admission for you. So that's why it's not 100% assurance for you to get admission. Alright, so there are some persons out there will not be telling you go and get Predegree form, go and get Predegree form, go and get so you have to consider all of these things before you make the choice of you buying Predegree form. All right, so you have to put all of these things into consideration. All right, so you buy the form. Okay, so consider all of these things. So yeah, so that's it. So some be asking the advantages of Predegree. So the advantage of Predegree is the access to a full degree program that you previously couldn't qualify. Of course, you know that before you start looking for Predegree form, either maybe you miss jump, or you did not write for jump, you did not write jump, or you did not do well in jump. So that's the only thing that will make you to actually be for a Predegree program, because maybe you pass jam very well and you do all of this, you would have proceed with your school admission and not Predegree. Alright, so that's the things that makes that's the reason why I said previously you do not qualify for. Alright, so now they will come to expose those courses you offer in year one. They will start teaching you in your Predegree program. Alright, so that's the area I said you have access to a full degree program that you previously couldn't qualify for. So they will start exposing all of those courses, teach you all of those courses, so that if you finally succeed, you will stand out, because all of those things you are still going to learn in year one, you have already done it in Predegree. So there's no way, it's a kind of repetition of what you have already done. So you just go there and get all of your A's, and that's it. Alright, so that's basically how the exam works. So it's not 100% assurance so that you'll get an admission with Predegree. So if you have any further information, or you have anything you also want me to know, or you have anything, maybe you have any idea or anything that concerns Predegree that you want us to know, also share it with us on the comment section. So I would also like to learn from you. If you have done Predegree before and your experience was good and was not nice, also let us know your experience if you have done it before in the comment section. Alright, so that's basically where we'll end for today. So we'll keep winning, and when we win, we'll keep winning. Alright, so thank you all for being with me. Thank you for sticking around this video. Thank you for staying from the beginning to this video, to the end of this video. So I love you guys. Until I see you in my next video again, don't forget I love each and every one of Benny by subscriber. Alright, keep winning.